Aircraft carriers are among the largest and most complex machines ever built, serving as floating airbases that project naval power across the world's oceans. Construction begins inside enormous coastal shipyards, where thousands of engineers and skilled workers collaborate on a single vessel. Thousands of tons of high-strength naval steel arrive before fabrication begins. Computer-controlled plasma cutters transform raw steel into precisely engineered components. Hydraulic presses shape each section to match the carrier's enormous hull. Automated welding systems create strong, durable joints designed to withstand decades at sea. Huge prefabricated modules are carefully positioned inside the dry dock with millimeter-level precision. Inside the hull, countless compartments, passageways, and support structures begin to take shape. The immense framework supporting the future flight deck is assembled with extraordinary precision. With the primary hull assembled, the aircraft carrier is ready for the next stage, installing propulsion systems, electrical networks, and advanced combat technology. With the hull complete, construction shifts to the ship's propulsion spaces, where massive mechanical systems are carefully installed. Specialized teams prepare protected compartments that will house critical power generation equipment, following rigorous engineering standards. Every propulsion shaft is aligned with exceptional precision to ensure efficient and reliable operation at sea. Thousands of electrical connections distribute power throughout every compartment of the ship. Extensive piping systems transport water and other essential utilities across the enormous vessel. Advanced ventilation systems provide controlled airflow throughout hundreds of compartments. Heavy-duty aircraft elevators connect the hangar deck with the flight deck above. The expansive flight deck is assembled to support the demanding operations of naval aircraft. The island superstructure becomes the command center of the carrier, housing navigation, communications, and flight operations. With its major structures complete, the aircraft carrier is ready for advanced outfitting, systems integration, and extensive testing before entering service. Advanced radar and communication systems are installed to support navigation, air traffic management, and situational awareness. Thousands of electronic systems are integrated and tested to ensure reliable communication and navigation during future operations. Specialized recovery equipment is installed to safely support aircraft returning from missions. Complex launch assist equipment is integrated into the ship, preparing the carrier for future flight operations while maintaining safety and precision. The expansive hangar provides space for aircraft maintenance, storage, and preparation between missions. The bridge becomes the operational heart of the vessel, bringing together navigation, communications, and command functions. Designed for long deployments, the carrier includes extensive living, medical, and support facilities for thousands of personnel. Protective coatings help shield the vessel from corrosion and harsh marine environments, extending its operational life. After years of construction, the aircraft carrier experiences one of its most significant milestones, its first time afloat. The newly launched carrier now enters its outfitting phase, where final systems, testing, and preparations continue before sea trials. At the outfitting pier, specialists complete the final exterior installations that prepare the carrier for operational testing. The flight deck receives essential support equipment that will enable efficient aircraft operations during future deployments. Comprehensive safety systems are inspected and certified to help protect the crew during operations at sea. Critical navigation and communication systems undergo extensive testing to ensure dependable performance. Engineers gradually activate and verify thousands of interconnected systems throughout the vessel. Before heading to sea, the carrier completes a series of harbor acceptance tests to verify operational readiness. Extensive crew training ensures every department is prepared for safe and coordinated operations. The moment finally arrives as the newly built aircraft carrier begins its first voyage beyond the shipyard. Sea trials evaluate the ship's maneuverability, stability, propulsion, and the performance of its integrated systems. After extensive testing, the aircraft carrier successfully completes its sea trials, marking a major milestone before entering active service. Following months of construction and testing, engineers perform one final comprehensive inspection before the vessel enters service. Every flight deck system is tested to ensure reliable support for future aviation operations. With construction complete, the carrier begins embarking its aviation assets, transforming into a fully operational naval platform. The hangar provides the facilities required to inspect, maintain, and prepare aircraft for future missions. Carefully coordinated teamwork ensures the safe and efficient movement of aircraft across the flight deck. The ship is prepared for its official commissioning, marking the completion of years of engineering and craftsmanship. The commissioning ceremony celebrates the dedication of thousands of workers, engineers, and naval personnel. With the commissioning complete, the aircraft carrier officially joins the fleet, ready to fulfill its authorized missions. Leaving the naval base behind, the carrier begins the next chapter of its operational life. Designed through years of innovation and precision manufacturing, the aircraft carrier stands as one of the most remarkable engineering achievements ever constructed. Aircraft carriers can support humanitarian assistance, disaster relief, maritime security, and international cooperation when called upon. Thank you for watching this journey through the construction of one of the world's most advanced ships. If you enjoyed this documentary, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more incredible factory and engineering stories.